A woman with a voice is, by definition, a strong woman. But the search to find that voice can be remarkably difficult. You don't have to play masculine to be a strong woman. Women are like tea bags, we don't know our true strength until we are in hot water. I have chosen to no longer be apologetic for my femaleness and my femininity, and I want to be respected in all of my femaleness because I deservito be. I say if I'm beautiful, I sigh if I'm strong, you will not. Determine my story I will. I always wanted to be a femme fatale, even when I was a young girl. I never really wanted to be girl, I wanted to be a woman. A strong woman is a woman determined to do something. Others are determined not done. A woman is not afraid to fail. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. We need women who are so strong they can be gentle, so educated they can be humble, so fierce they can be compassionate, so passionate they can be rational, and so disciplined they can be free. Women must try to do things as men have tried. When they fail, their failure must be but a challenge to others. Above all, be the heroine of your life, not the victim. Once you figure out what respect tastes like, it tastes better than attention. I believe in being strong when everything seems to be going wrong. I believe that happy girls are the prettiest girls. Never ignore a person who loves and cares for you, because one day you may realize that you've lost the moon or counting stars.